I'm Julie Blanner from the lifestyle website julieblanner.com, where I share effortless ideas for entertaining, easy recipes, and home design that blends in function. Today I'm sharing just that, a home design moment that blends in function. I don't know if you've noticed in some of my previous posts and videos, but our TV hangs just above our mantle and it serves as art. For the longest time, I was frustrated that our TV was a black hole, especially in our previous home and then again here in this home. And it just kind of feels like it sinks you in. In our home currently, we have a small family room that's nestled right next to the kitchen. So it's kind of the primary spot where we all hang out that I really wanted to have a TV in. However, it's also right off the entryway. But I didn't want the first thing that people would see when they entered our home to be our TV. So this is like a really fun way to create a beautiful design moment, kind of take people's breath away, but still have that function of having our TV right here. So when the girls are chilling out while I'm making dinner, I can still see exactly what they're doing from the kitchen, but they can watch TV and enjoy in here. A few things that make this TV special is that it's hung like art. So it actually hangs flush to the wall, which most TVs don't quite. They have a little bit of distance between and even kind of a boxy back to them, and this set's really nice and flush. Another thing that makes this TV different is that it has a bevel just like a picture frame. I chose the oak option. I think it blends lovely into our living room, but they have a few different options you can choose from. But just eliminating the black exterior alone really makes it blend into the design of the home. And the final thing that makes this TV look like art is that you can display art on it. Now I can upload any number of pictures that I purchase online from stock websites, my own photographs, my own family photographs, but you can also use their art collection. So there's a variety of ways that you can get art onto your TV. For standard art, I love this from the Samsung collection, and it's free, it's included, but there are so many options. When I hosted a baby shower for my niece, I had her baby shower invitation displayed on there with the baby's name. For Adeline's 10th birthday, I had a picture of her. I love like surprising the kids by changing the art, and I can do it all from my phone, which makes it so simple. So I did that before I woke up that morning when I was still in bed. I just really quick ran and grabbed a picture of her, ice skating in Chicago, and added that to the TV. You can also display your Christmas cards, vintage family photos, the list goes on and on. But it's really nice because it gives an option for it to blend into the design of your home. A few other things that I absolutely love about this TV is that it actually goes off when you leave the room. You can set it to a certain period of time. I have mine in a pretty nominal amount of time because I'm all about saving energy. The TV goes off when we leave the room and it comes on when we enter the room. It's like you hardly even notice that it was ever off. So that's kind of cool and really fun. You can also make it as warm or as cool as you'd like. You know me, I love warmer colors. I'm sure you just saw my paint color video, but I'm all about the warm whites. And I like to do the same thing with my TV. I warm it up a little bit. That doesn't affect the picture of the show that you're watching or the movie you're watching, just the picture of the art you're displaying. You can also, on your phone, adjust to make it brighter or dimmer, and it will auto adjust in the evenings for you. So it's kind of really fun feature to have. I love seeing everyone's faces when they walk into our door and they're like, is that art? And the next thing you know, they're like examining it. They're like, looks like it. And what's really crazy is that it's so much more realistic in person than it is on film. I don't understand why I can't quite capture that. It blends in so nice. It has a very low sheen to it, so it doesn't reflect a lot of light in person, and we love it. And we love it so much that I ended up adding one in our bedroom as well. I know you're not supposed to have a TV in your bedroom. Don't judge. I absolutely love it and have to fall asleep to it, and much to Chris's dismay. But we added one to our bedroom as well, and I love that it, again, blends function and design and isn't a black hole in our bedroom. I am also looking at adding one in our basement as we continue to finish that this spring, and I would love one in my workout room. Just have to talk Chris into it. Anyways, I hope you love this as much as I do. And if you have any questions at all regarding this TV or anything else, please leave me those questions below because I would love to address them in my next video. Thank you so much for following along. Don't forget to click subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.